In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Warm welcome all of you being here. Students, it's social study book of grade 5. As you know that we read about the two regions which were mountainous region and plateau region in our previous lectures. And today we are going to read about the third one region, that is plain region, on textbook page number 5. First of all, we should know what the meaning of plain and region. प्लेन मीन मैदानी एंड रीजन मीन इलाका यानी मैदानी इलाका. And how can you define the plain? Plain is a large flat area of land. So students, let's try to get further information about plain region after reading it. The vast Indus plains include much of Punjab and Sindh. They are called Indus plains because the area is irrigated by the Indus river and its tributaries. First of all, you should know that the river Indus is located between river Indus and river Jhelum. And what's the meaning of tributary here? As you can see, the meaning of tributary, मुआवन दरिया. कौन से मुआवन दरिया हैं? In other words, you can say which are the tributaries: Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum and Sutlej. The lower Indus plain includes most of the Sindh where water is available and crop production is good. Obviously, जब water available होगा, जहाँ पानी अच्छा होगा, तो वहाँ पे फसलों की पैदावार भी अच्छी होगी, production अच्छी होगी. The upper Indus plain is very fertile because of the soil brought and deposited by the Indus river. Much of Punjab rests in this region. A number of canals have helped to irrigate the land. जब हम मसनूई तरीक़ों से नहरें बिछाकर अपनी ज़मीन को सैराब करते हैं, that system is called the irrigation system. The major crops grown are wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and tobacco. As you can see the meaning of sugarcane here. Yes, गन्ना. गन्ने की फसल को हम कहते हैं sugarcane. And waterlogging and salinity have made thousands of acres uncultivable. Salinity mean नमकीन होने को कहते हैं. Waterlogging सेम यानी सेम और थोड़ी नमकियात की वजह से हज़ारों एकड़ रकबा नाकाबिल काश्त हो चुका है. In the plains, summer is very hot. Summers last from March to October. The hottest months are June and July. Northern Punjab receives less rainfall. Winters are mild. The Gangetic Plain in India are similar to the Indus Plains of Pakistan. As we read about the two regions in our previous lectures, that were Anatolian Plateau region that is located in Turkey and Balochistan Plateau region that is existed in Pakistan. These two regions are similar with each other, same like that. गंगा का मैदान या मैदान गंगा या इंदस का मैदान, ये दोनों एक दूसरे सिमिलर हैं. गंगा is existed in India and Indus is existed in Pakistan. It is an intensely formed area like the Indus plains, like our plains. It is heavily populated. Both are heavily populated, यानी यहाँ पे thick population पाई जाती है. As you can see the meanings of intensely, सख्त या शदीद. The area is fertile because of the silt deposited by its rivers, especially the Gangas. Main crops grown are wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane and cotton. As you can see the meaning of silt here, मट्टी यानी यहाँ की ज़रख़ेज़ मट्टी की वजह से यहाँ की फसलें भी अच्छी होती हैं. Student, this is the reading of page number 4 and 5 and try to make your reading skills more effective after reading it thoroughly. And if you have any query, then feel free to contact us in comment box. Okay, student, thank you so much and very take care of yourself.